In today's video guys, I'm going to show you how you can cancel and stop getting YouTube Shorts suggestions. You know, when you launch the app and you're getting shorts from channels that you're not following and content that you didn't show that you're interested in. In this video guys, I'm going to show you how you can cancel this. Let's launch the YouTube app first. As you can see over here, we're having a couple of shorts that are recommended on the upper side, right? This is the feed. So now what you want to do, if you don't like the content and if you're not interested in the channel, all you gotta do is to click on the three dots in the upper right corner of the short, each one of them, and then simply click not interested. Okay, then you want to go on the next one and also click not interested. This is very important to do or to be done simply because if you're not interested, they're gonna keep pushing the content that you're not interested, and this is not good for you and it's not good for YouTube either. Remember, their goal is to make you watch ads, so just watch videos that you're interested and watch ads of videos that you're interested. This will improve the engagement and everyone wins in this way. You help the algorithm to identify what you really wanted to see, what you really like or dislike. Then you want to head to the lower right corner where you see your profile picture. You want to click on it. Then you want to head to the top right corner and you want to click on the gear icon. Okay. When you're at the gear icon, you have the option to select general. When you're at the general, you gotta go and click on app language, this option over here. When you click on app language, you will have the option to change the language, which is as a preferred language on your device. In my case, this is an iPhone default English language. So this is how you can go about it. You can simply click on preferred language, you can click on the language, and after you change the language on the phone default language, this will change the language on YouTube. This will change the language on the comments. This will change the whole experiences on the people who are coming and following and watching your content. And this is how you change the language on YouTube. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you the only legitimate way for you to download any YouTube video from the YouTube platform. First thing you want to do, you want to launch the YouTube app. Then you want to scroll down and you want to look for a video that you want to download. Let's say, for example, we want to download this video over here. You want to click on the three dots on the right side under the video, right? And you want to click download video. There is two options that you can actually pick from 720 quality to 360 quality. I understand you might be disappointed that there isn't an option with Full HD or 4K download availability. But there is even worse news. To be able to download the video, you gotta subscribe to YouTube Premium. The first month will be free as a free trial. The second month will cost you $18.99. Very important part is that on top of being able to download any video from YouTube, you will be able to watch videos on the platform without ads. This is part of the package. So I think for people who are not interested into watching ads and at the same time interested into downloading videos, I think this could be beneficial. But look what YouTube is actually giving you as additional information. Your membership starts as soon as you set a payment and subscribe with iTunes. So iTunes has to be linked as well. Your monthly charge will occur on the last day of the current billing period. They will renew your membership if you have an auto renewal. If not, well, then you have to do it manually. Again, guys, remember guys, the only legitimate way for you to download any content from the platform without having any issues with copyrights or any other issues is simply go through the actual YouTube download functionality. Don't use a third-party software. Something that you can probably use, downloading Reels or downloading Instagram videos, does not actually work as well over here because most of the videos over here are original content that also belongs partially to the YouTube. So go ahead, and if you really want to download, this is the way to do it. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to block YouTube channels on YouTube the easy way. First thing, let's launch the YouTube app. When you're on YouTube, let's scroll through the feed and let's try to find someone that you want to block. Let's go over here. Let's say we want to block this channel over here, Raya Cinema, okay? You want to click on the channel itself, and then you want to scroll all the way to the top of the channel where you see the 3 straight lines in form of a dots, of course. You're going to have a pop-up menu where you will have the option, first of all, to hide user from my channel. When you click this one, what this simply will do, this will hide existing and future comments from this user on my channel, and this will simply hide this channel to see my content and my actual profile. This is option number 1. But this doesn't mean that, they won't be able to see your content if your content is shared from somebody else. How you can go even further? If you click back again to this particular option, you will have the function over here to click report user. YouTube add a new features on this option, right? And when you click over here, you will have the option to click report user on their own profile. And what I mean by the add new features, well, it's no longer something that it's obvious that is like illegal or against the guidance from YouTube, but you can actually click none of these are my issue. So for example, there is something else that you can actually use in your report. But again, very important, everything has to be legitimate. It has to be a legitimate reason. You cannot make up the stuff, right? You can report someone if they're stealing your content, stealing your titles, copying your production, trying to spam your comments on the comment section just to get your subscribers or followers or essentially your audience. It has to be a legitimate reason. And what I'm saying is that if you scroll down, there are reasons that you can actually use. As you can see, spam and deceptive practices, fake engagement, impressionating, external links, spam. If somebody keep coming to your channel just spamming and using bad words for your content, it spits lies, it's trying to bash you and your channel, this is probably something that you can use. Also, it is very important that a lot of this that is allowed over here to be reported as an issue are usually stuff that are not related to your own channel. So you want to make sure that you find something that is extremely relative to your own situation, and you can also submit a report. When you click help here on YouTube. You'll be able to submit your personal report and let them know what is your issue with this channel. Because like I said, everything has to be legitimate, everything has to be backed with real evidences and real issue. Otherwise, you cannot simply report anyone for no reason, right? Or like something that is not actually happening. But as long as they are hide, the first option I show you, they will not be able to comment on your videos. They will not be able to see your content, and your content most likely will not be recommended to them anymore, even though they are subscribed to the channel. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete your YouTube search history. First thing, let's launch the YouTube app. Then you want to head to the lower right corner and click on the icon that it says you. Okay, then you want to go ahead and click on the gear icon at the top right corner. Then you want to scroll down to the section that it says manage all history. You want to click on manage all history, and here you will be left with a bunch of different options. Let me explain, simple, clear visual. First option, of course, is you want to make sure do you have on or off auto deletion. You want to click on auto delete, and you will see that auto delete option currently it's not on this particular account. If I had it on, this will give me an option after 3 months, 18 months, or 36 months to have my search history automatically deleted. This is, in my opinion, a very good option considering accounts that you're not using with the purpose of finding stuff. You just probably random trends from time to time that will not matter after 3, 6, 12 months from now. So this is how you clear your search history automatically. If you go back, you will see that you can actually go ahead and see by days on the clicking on the calendar over here. You can go and select a date, month of the year as well, and you can find out exactly what did you search on this date, and you can clean it. You can simply delete it. The otherwise is you can go scroll down and simply click individual X, right? You can simply individually delete each of these items over here. This simply will help you if you really want to delete just a couple of search queries, not the whole lot of your story, because you might find it important, right? These are the three different options that you could actually go ahead and do so. And I'm gonna give you an extra tip over here. I want you to click on saving your YouTube history. If you click on this one, you would see exactly what type of information YouTube is saving for you and your account. As you can see, YouTube saves the videos that you've watched, YouTube saves the search queries that you put, and YouTube saves the voice and audio activity. You can individually toggle this on and off depending on your preference. This is very important, and you could also turn off over here, and YouTube will not save none of this, right? So then you don't have nothing to delete, because they're not gonna save what you've watched, what you search for, audio or voice recordings. This is just a pro tip over here, guys. For more tips and tricks, subscribe and follow for more. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to disable YouTube Shorts suggestions. When you launch the YouTube app, like I'll show you over here, you will have a bunch of Shorts suggestions. So for example, I don't want to be or get recommendations about something like this, right? You want to click on the three dots on the top, and then you want to click not interested. Then you want to scroll down. I don't want to see Mr. Beast either. Let's click on the three dots, not interested. How about Marcus Brownie? Sure, but let's clear the history. Three dots, not interested. And what this will actually do when you hit the home button again and refresh, simply you're not gonna have any more Shorts recommendations. And to prove a point, I can close it, right? And then launch again YouTube, and you will see there is no Shorts recommendations anymore. This is how simple it is. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off autoplay on YouTube from the settings, not from the actual video itself. Let's launch the YouTube app. Next thing you want to do, you want to click on the lower right corner and click on your profile. Then when you're at your profile, you want to click on the gear icon in the top right corner. When you're at the settings, I want you to click on the autoplay option. As you can see over here, there is an option that you should turn off. This simply will turn off all the devices that are currently logged into this account. For example, if you have a tablet, if you have a mobile device, 2 or 3 phones that are currently logged into this account, when you change the setting from here on this iPhone, for example, it will change the setting on all the devices. Even if you, for example, log in through your Apple TV and log in through the same YouTube account, even on the TV, you're not gonna have the autoplay anymore. And this is how you're turning off the autoplay on YouTube. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and come back for more. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to upload high quality videos on YouTube. There is a special setting that you have to set in advance. Let's launch the YouTube app first. Then I want you to go and click on the lower right corner where you see your profile icon. Then I want you to go ahead and click on the gear icon in the top right corner. When you're at the settings, I want you to click on uploads. Do you see this? It's almost at the end of the menu. You want to click on uploads, and here you have the option number 1, which is upload quality. You want to make sure that you set this to 1080p, okay? This is very, very important, because even if sometimes you have, let's say, not so good internet connection, Wi-Fi or data, YouTube, if you didn't preset this as an automatic, YouTube will default uploading your video on the lower quality because it will take so much more time if you didn't opt in for 1080p. So in this way, no matter how good is the internet, when you have this set as a default, you will always have uploaded at 1080p. This is why you can see over here that you have also the option to upload over Wi-Fi only, which is not recommended in my opinion, simply because you're limiting yourself only through the Wi-Fi connection, which is again more powerful, but you don't have access at the Wi-Fi connection when you're outside of your home, right? When you're outside of your home, you're only using data, and data is not so fast, data is limited, and we all know there's plenty of limitations. But if you're outside and you really want to upload the video, you want to make sure that the video is uploading in 1080p, right? But this is how essentially you upload videos with high quality on YouTube. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and come back for more. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check if a YouTube channel is monetized and if a YouTube channel has a monetized videos. Very easy, very simple. Let's launch the YouTube app first. Let's go on YouTube feed and try to find the channel that we're interested. Let's say, for example, this channel over here. You want to click on the channel, not on the video. Then when you're at the channel, you want to go on the top right corner and click on the three dots, okay? Then I want you to simply click share and copy the link. Now I want you to go on Google Chrome and I want you to look for this particular website. The website is called Is This Channel Monetized? You want to click on the website, you want to scroll down, and here you want to paste the link from the channel that you're interested. Then you click check monetization. Okay, it's usually very fast. Okay, so this is the YouTube channel that we looked, and according to this, the channel is probably monetized. They don't give you a guarantee. The channel has at least 3 monetized regular videos. It gives you information about the views that they have generated, the amount of subscribers. Here are few numbers to give you an idea of how much this channel could have made with 1 billion views. Wow, that's a lot of money. And this is simply with different RPMs. And you know, the videos could vary between the categories as well. Interesting. But guys, this is how you can find if a channel is monetized and if a channel has some monetized videos. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to reply to the comments with a video on YouTube Shorts. First of all, let's launch YouTube and let's launch the Shorts. You want to stop on this one, you want to come click on this one, and then you want to click, for example, on the comments over here. Now you want to click on the camera icon on the right side next to the add reply. You click on the camera sign, and now you're able to create a brand new short. You're able to record yourself commenting on other people's comment, and you will have the sticker of the original comment showing on what you actually replying to. Now the couple of things that are important is that on the top right corner you can change the length of the short from 15 to 60 seconds, right? You're able to put timer, you're able to speed up or slow down, you're able to actually utilize the green screen function. Like a regular editing short, you want to make sure that everything is aligned, and then you're able to move the sticker when you're done. You're able to move this comment, which is the reply on the comment that you're creating video for. You're able to move it on the side. You record yourself, you hold your finger on the sticker on the original comment, you drag it all the way up to the top. You can also utilize that sound. If you can see on the top of the middle of the screen, you can actually add additional sound. On the right side menu, all the settings will also give you more functions. You can actually flip. If you did a selfie type of video, right, and you did a landscape, you want to flip it, or you want to change the way how the whole settlement of the frame looks like. You can add different filters over here. Everything is as usual, creating a normal shorts. The main difference over here is that you will be able and you will have the original comment on top as a title of your video. Subscribe to the channel, guys, and come back for more. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off restrictive mode on YouTube app. First of all, let's launch the YouTube app. Then you want to click on the lower right corner where you see the logo of your profile picture. Then you want to go all the way up to the gear icon. You want to click on it. Then you want to click on General. When you click on General Settings, you want to scroll down and you will find a restricted mode. Currently it's off. I'm going to toggle this on and off so you will see how it actually works. Why this is so important? Because sometimes you will not be able to see particular videos if you not have this off. This helps to hide potential mature videos, content that requires particular age, that comes with age restrictions. And sometimes people who are publishing these videos are not specifically mentioning that these videos are with this particular age requirement. So this will simply help you to either prevent someone from watching these videos through your account or you seeing these videos. Also, a very important note is that when you actually change the restrictive mode on the mobile, that does not mean that logging through different devices on this account will have the same function saved. This means that if you have this account on tablet, on your PC, or on other phone, you gotta go and you gotta log in through the other devices and you have to repeat the process. You have to go on each of the device and you have to turn off or turn on restricted mode. This is very important because this feature is really to prevent particular content to go in front of the wrong people. So this is why YouTube does not automatically align all in each setting that you're currently changing on one device to all of the devices. So if you really want to make the change all over the place, you have to gather all the devices in front of you and change the setting right away. Subscribe and come back for more. Hi guys, in this tutorial video I am going to show you how you can upload a YouTube video for the first time. Very easy and simple. Let's jump to YouTube app first. So when you're at YouTube, like any other new social media, you will have at the lower center of the screen a plus sign. This is where you click and you start uploading the content that you want to publish. So now let's hit the plus sign over here. When you hit the plus sign, we are capable to pick up a video that we want to upload. Let's select this one. So after we pick up our video, the first thing that you want to pay attention to is that you want to upload a thumbnail. How are you going to do that? If you look at the top left corner, you have a small icon that has like a plus sign with an image. You want to click on this icon over here, and then you have an option to upload a thumbnail. Let's pick this one. Thumbnail has to be positioned horizontally. This means that has to be in the position of 90/20 ATP. So in this particular case, you could see that we're filling up all the gaps from corner to corner and we're having a high definition thumbnail. Pro tip over here is that YouTube algorithm will most likely recommend channels with higher quality videos, higher quality pictures as thumbnails. So you want to make sure that the content quality is the highest that you could possibly produce. I'm not saying that you should have a professional gear, but everything that you could choose and you have around yourself that will make your content better, use it. After we upload the video and we choose our thumbnail, we want to write our title. So you can go about short title that is very niche down. For example, how to create a YouTube video, right? Very niche down, versus how to upload a video online, right? Much more generic, versus the niche down, how to upload video in particular on YouTube. So in our case, we're going to go for more generic one simply because we are targeting greater audience. So how to upload video online, right? You can put a question mark as well. Then you have an option to add description. This is where you can essentially add 2, 3, 4 sentences at the very first line explaining what is the video about, helping the algorithm to identify the perfect audience for the video. After you include the description, you want to go down and you see we have a visibility check. This is where you can choose how the video will be published. Is it going to be private? Is it going to be unlisted? Unlisted means that only people who have the link. So when you upload the video, there's a share button on top where you can generate the link. You can share the link to the other people, and no one else on the platform who doesn't have the link will be able to see the video. Or you can simply publish it as a public video. There is a fourth option in which you can actually schedule it. When you click on schedule, you have the option to select the time frame, the month, the day, the part of the day, AM, PM, and you can also set the video as a premiere, right? This could generate more people to sign up and get notified when the video gets live, right? But this is much more advanced settings. Then you also want to focus on the location over here. You want to pick up your location. The next part is if you have a different type of content that is uploaded on your channel. For example, you have one video for tips for online video uploading. You have more tips for like e-commerce, different sorts and categories. It's always good to create a playlist. This is where you can create your own playlist, right? And you can simply upload every video to the particular playlist. This will simply help people to watch more videos that are from the same topic. This will increase the view duration and the time spent on your channel overall. Last but not least, you can essentially turn the comments off if you don't want people to comment. This is something some people are choosing to do. Next option, very simple, will be to click next, and the video will start uploading. After the video is uploaded, you will have automatic checks from the YouTube algorithm, and then usually it takes around 10 minutes to see the final process. Then the video will get live. This is how simple it is to upload a video on YouTube in 2024. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how the YouTube algorithm works in 2024. If you want to grow fast, you need to change the way you use the platform. Let's jump right into it. Open the Chrome app on the actual incognito. I want you to open YouTube on incognito, and I want you to scroll down with the fresh new YouTube page without having logging in, without having anything that is previously searched. So without search queries, you can look what is currently recommended for you. And you probably wonder why this particular content is recommended to you. If you could look at simply over here, majority of the videos that we're seeing is essentially a news recap. So somebody is actually making a recap on the recent or previous news. This has been a trend through 2021, 2022, and 2023. But what I really want to pay attention to is that people are actually start using older news to make a recap on. If you look at over here, this particular video has been published 3 months ago, okay? And this video is going over the 9/11 attacks and so on and so forth. So people are actually more interested into having a detailed breakdown on previous news, things from the past, rather than the new ones. Because when you create a recap on the new ones, you simply compete with these big news channels. You compete with, as you can see over here, with Fox, with CNBC. You compete with Forbes breaking news, right? You don't want to compete with these guys. These guys have probably 3, 4, 6,000 different videos on the channels. These guys have, viewers that are watching them on the cable, and these people are watching them here as well. So they have a guaranteed audience. Not to mention that they are the main big channels here on the platform relating to news. So this means that there is a high chance for YouTube to recommend their content over your content for the same exact type of news. So my advice for you will be to simply go over and start making recaps, start making a reaction, or start making a commentary videos on old news. Because if you think none of these big news channels right now will be going after old news. You cannot imagine CNBC making a recap or news or commentary on news that happened 5 years, 10 years ago, right? None of these guys have time on air to lose or risk for the audience to make a recap on old news. While you can, while there could be a huge demand because it's already old news, there are not going to be so many recent views on the old news. Do you see where is the slim part? Where is the leverage that you can utilize? The demand is there, but the recent supply is not there. Not so many people thought about making recaps or making commentary videos on old news. So this is how you can actually start growing. Start making a recap videos or commentary videos or detailed explanations or documentaries if you have a budget for and time for on old news. This is how you can actually extract as much as value and simply touch the fastest pace of growing on YouTube in 2024. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your profile picture on YouTube. There is a new update on the YouTube platform, so I'm going to show you the shortcut how you can easily change your profile picture. Let's launch the YouTube app first. Then I want you to click on the lower right corner where you see your profile picture, okay? Then when you're over here, I want you to click on the profile picture at the top left corner, the bigger one. Now, when you're at your own YouTube channel landing page, the new update will simply allow you to do edits from the actual mobile device. You don't need the laptop or desktop version anymore. Now, you see this button that is called Manage Videos, right? Next to it, you have the Analytics, and next to Analytics button, you have this small pen. I want you to click on this small pen. When you click on the pen, you will have the option to change the name, the handle, the pronouns, right? To change the URL, the description, but also on the top center of the screen, you have an option to essentially click and change your profile picture. You can select the picture from your gallery or you can upload the picture right away from your camera. It's very easy, guys, very simple. Thanks to YouTube, this new update makes things much easier. You can also change the background picture. You can change the actual landscape photo over here. If you click on it, as you can see, you can simply change it over here as well. Very easy, very simple. With the old version, you need a laptop, you need a desktop version, you need to resize items and things. Over here, things are very easy, guys. For more tips and tricks like this, subscribe and follow for more. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your YouTube channel name, how to change your YouTube channel profile picture, and how to change your YouTube background picture as well. With the recent updates on YouTube, now everything is so easy and you can simply do all that from your iPhone. Let's launch the YouTube app first. Then I want you to click on the lower right corner with your profile picture. Then I want you to click on the bigger profile picture on the upper left side of the screen. Click on it. Now when you're at your profile on mobile, you will see that there is a small pen at the right middle of the screen. Next to the Manage Videos, there is a small pen. I want you to click on this pen. When you click on this pen, you will have the options to essentially check and change your background image on YouTube, your main profile image on YouTube, your name, your handle, and you will be able to change your description and privacy. Plenty of things you could do with only having YouTube app and this updated version. Very easy, guys, very simple. As you can see, you can simply click on the background, you can change it. You can click on the main profile picture, you can change it. Here you can click on your name. Here is where actual changes happens. Don't forget that when you change your name, guys, you need to change manually your handle. Otherwise, your handle will remain with your previous name, and then it will be a mismatch between your new name and your handle. So it will be much harder for people to find you, your account, and your page. But this is how you change your YouTube channel name. Very easy, guys, very simple. For more tips and tricks like this, subscribe and come back for more. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can remove a background from a video, okay? Very easy, very simple. I want you to come over here at this website, It's called unscreen.com. You come over here and you click on upload clip. You can take a clip right away, of course, or you can choose one from your library. Now, example over here, I am going to choose this one. It's not going to be a perfect result simply because I do not have an actual object in between, but just to give you an idea, guys, how the app works, how easy the app works. Depending on how long is the video, it will take time to proceed. Now the video is already uploaded, and as you can see, we do have part of the video removed. Like I said, I didn't have like an actual person in the middle of the video, so you can get like the perfect idea how the video removal works, but I'm just giving you an example with the video that I have on my hand, and this is how the video remover actually works. Also, you can click here and you can share the video, the final project, or you can download it. If you click over here, you can download it as a GIF, or you can download it as animated PNG. First thing you want to do, you want to come over here on YouTube and you want to click on channel that you're interested in. Let's go on this particular CNBC Make It. You gotta go on the channel and you gotta click on the three dots on the top right corner. When you click on the three dots, you will have the option to actually share, or in other words, simply copy the link from the YouTube channel. The second step is very important. You gotta go on Google Chrome and you gotta type is this channel monetized.com. This is how the page looks like. This is how the website looks like. Okay, then you want to scroll down. Be very careful, there are a bunch of ads on the header. You want to scroll down to the actual real search box where you actually paste the YouTube channel link that we just copied, right? And then you gotta hit check monetization. It should prompt us very fast and we should get the results. This is very, very important because sometimes some people want to start a brand new YouTube channel, especially now 2024 is coming, right? And now you want to make sure that the niche or the channel or the topic that you're, trying to build up audience around is monetizable, right? It can be monetized on the YouTube. As you can see over here, this channel has at least 3 monetized regular videos. This means that the content they're producing is monetizable. The question is how many of the videos are currently monetized. You can manually turn on and off monetization. As you can see, we can actually see more numbers over here. Very, very interesting. The RPM is pretty low. As we can see, it moves up and down in the particular niche, but definitely this website gives you much more details and in-depth analysis of the particular YouTube channel. And this is how you're actually finding out is particular YouTube channel monetized. First thing I want you to do is to go ahead and click on the lower right corner and hit on your profile picture. When you're at your profile landing page, I want you to go ahead and click on the gear icon at the top right corner. In YouTube settings new update, you have an option which is almost at the center of the menu, which will allow you to change the upload settings. So scroll down and click on uploads. Over here you're able to essentially change the upload quality. You can do full quality, which means if you shoot at 4K, 8K, you can upload it 4K, 8K, okay? This is what this actually means. You can see the progress speed over here, right? The quality from 360 pixels all the way up to full quality. This is how you upload in the highest quality possible. This is how you see someone is actually uploading cinematic, videos. Amazing. Also, you're able to upload over Wi-Fi only because the data, your mobile internet is not so good usually. So this is why sometimes you might upload something that is bad quality simply because the internet quality was bad. So you can simply opt out or opt in for this. When you actually launch the YouTube app, it will be thrown through the feed of YouTube. You want to go on your own profile, so you're going to click on the lower right corner where you see the icon says you. You click on it. When you're on your own profile, you want to click on the top right corner where is the gear icon. And then when you're at the settings, you want to click on Manage All History. You click on Manage All History, and here you will have the options essentially to look up and to see, can you opt in for auto delete, meaning that all the history, if you click over here, you will have the option to auto delete all the activity after this period is passed. For example, in our case, we have default function over here as 36 months. This means after 3 years, everything that is older than 3 years will be automatically deleted if you click on this one. Then of course you can readjust it to 18 months, which is 1 year and 6 months, and then you can do only 3 months period. If you set this one, the idea over here is that your most recent searches will be deleted. If you pick up the year and 6 months, this is probably going to be a little bit less relevant to your current search queries. So this is the case over here. And of course, the last option will be the one that will be queries most likely irrelevant at this point of your life, because this is 3 years past. Also, you can scroll down and you can essentially don't auto delete and simply go through manually. You can go manually and pick a particular time frame or activity in which you want to delete it. This is how you can go about it. In my opinion, guys, it's always better for you to go in manual settings. Also, right before auto delete, you have an option over here. It says saving your YouTube history. You can prevent doing all the heavy lifting and hard work by simply coming over here, and you can simply turn off. When you turn off, you're simply gonna pause YouTube history. What this will simply do, this will limit or disable any personal experiences. This simply will mean that YouTube will not have the data to recommend you ads, to recommend you content, channels, shorts. So it will be pretty random. Of course, there are advantages and disadvantages of this. We all know there is a specific target advertisement, target algorithm, target content generation, in which it helps the algorithm to recommend you stuff, right? Also, you can manually tick up or down these particular indications, because they can collect data for YouTube videos you watch, right? So based on this, they can recommend you more from the channel. They can, generate or collect your searches on YouTube, all the queries that we already mentioned, the ones that are relevant, less relevant, and the ones that are already irrelevant. Again, plenty of options over here. You can simply not allow them to do so you don't have to delete anything, because if they don't keep up with your search queries and your search history or watch history, you probably not have anything to do it. But in my opinion, go on your settings, the steps I show you. You gotta go on the landing page, okay? Then you wanna go ahead and click on the 3 dots on the upper right. Over here you will find 2 options. Essentially, you have report user or hide user from your channel. If you just hide this account, this means that they will not be able to comment on your videos, but they're still gonna be able to see your content. And if they're subscribed, they're gonna get notified every time when you publish. So if this doesn't work for you, the next step will be to click report user. And if the report falls under some of these categories, of course you can utilize the option and you can simply select it. But if none of these options applies to your situation or your case, you can click the last option, which is none of the above. Okay, then you want to click next. Then you want to scroll all the way to the bottom of the page and you want to click on help. Do you see the lower left? It says help. You click on help, and here you can essentially chat with YouTube, and you can essentially message YouTube and explain YouTube what's the issue, what's the reason for you wanting to block them, and they will contact you and you can explain what's the reason and they will help you resolve the issue. Okay,
So let's say I'm going to go on GitHub, okay? And I'm going to search up Maze C++. Let's just search that up. And I'm going to write Maze C++. And once you write that, look at this. You can start getting maze generators. Let's say we have this maze generator and this person created it in C++, right? We're going to go in this. So it's a recursive backtracker maze generator. And this person has, explained it. So this is the maze generator. You're going to write that and look at that. It's going to generate a whole maze that you can work in. You can walk through it. You get the dependency. You get the compiling. It gives you the whole code over here as well with the files. So, you can actually get the whole code by copying it and installing it. You can go to the actual file to get the code for yourself as well. And that is what GitHub mainly is for. So upload code, get code, and just talk with other people regarding coding, and that is basically about it. So that's GitHub. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye. Trello tutorial, how to use Trello. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing day. In this video, I'm going to be quickly showing you on how you can use Trello for yourself in the easiest and most simplest ways possible. So to do this, what you're going to do is, first of all, you're going to come to Trello.com, create an account. Now, to use Trello, what you're going to do is you're going to click on Create, and you can actually create a board. So you're going to click on Create a Board, and once you click on Create a Board, you're going to enter any board title for yourself and get that board up and running. Now, once you get that board up and running, so let's say I've created this board for myself, right? I'm going to go straight into this board. It's going to look somewhat like this, okay? Now, how do you add things in this? So to add components, first of all, you're going to click on list, and look at that. You can add lists for yourself. So, it's pretty easy to add lists. Then in the lists, you can add cards and just keep on adding more cards. And to edit those cards, you're going to click on them, and you can change their descriptions, you can change their activity statuses, and you can change every other aspect of it, like members, labels, checklist, dates, attachment, cover, custom fields, dependency estimation, and all these things. Pretty straightforward and pretty easy stuff to get your head around, and that is how you're going to use Trello. So thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye. MailChimp tutorial. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about MailChimp and how you can use this absolutely incredible software, okay? So to start off with MailChimp, what you are going to want to be doing is, obviously, you're going to, sign up with an account. Now, what is MailChimp used for? MailChimp, in my opinion, is best for any type of email marketing that you want to, do for yourself. It's great for any type of, sales CRM. It's great for lead generation. It's good for your sales. It's good for getting your company up and running. And the best part about this is that it actually has a free platform to sign in with. So you can sign up with it pretty easily. Okay, just go into sign up for free. Now, once you go into sign up for free, it takes you into the actual sign up gig where, add your very own business email that you want to sign up with MailChimp. Let's say I'm going to add that. Then you have, your username, and then you can add your very own password as well. Okay. After adding your password, you're going to verify everything. And once you verify everything, from there, it's going to take you into the actual, you could say, work ethic and work section of MailChimp. And that's basically how you're going to get started with it. Now, when it comes to using MailChimp, you are going to want to make sure to get a hold of a lot of, you could say, generative assistance. You can convert with email automations, create faster with generative AI, refine with segmentation, optimize with analytical things and support. You can get started easily with a personalized product tour. Okay, they give you a proper product tour, and you can see you can create actual custom journeys with automations. You can discover new ways to automate for yourself, keep your emails relevant and brand growing. And the thing is that the campaigning gives you a lot of great templates to work with, which is also pretty incredible. And you can add as many leads as you want, get as many contacts, as many customers, and as many users you want in this. Okay. And that gives you a really good general idea of how you're going to work with this. That's pretty much about it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you in the next video. Goodbye. Miro tutorial for beginners. Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to be quickly showing you Miro and how you can use this absolutely incredible software for yourself, okay? So Miro is basically, as it says, a visual workspace for innovation. So Miro allows you to create these different charts. It allows you to create these different types of boards, okay? And in those boards, you can use different elements like shapes, sticky notes, and all these other things to create a good workspace. And you can also use different boards like Kanban boards and all. And the best part about this is that you can make a whole funnel, a sales flow, and like a whole lot of other things to work with. So I would definitely urge users out there to use this software because it's absolutely incredible to get a good idea of this. And it has a lot of integrations to work with as well. So definitely go ahead with this. And I'm also going to discuss the pricings. Now, Miro also gives you things like product management, engineering. It's for IT teams, UX and design, consultation and agencies. And there's a lot of great technical diagramming, whiteboarding, wireframing, mind mapping, retrospectives, scale product planning, and process mapping. So there's a lot of great things to take from Miro. And definitely, all of you users out there should use this for yourself. It's the amazing and the most greatest thing to get for yourself. Then you have 4 plans for this as well. You have free, starter, business, enterprise. Okay, so the free plan is $0, starter plan is $8, business plan is $16, and enterprise plan is obviously the basic typical enterprise plan. Okay, and yeah, that's the general idea that you need to get when you're working with something like this. And that is basically your Miro. So thank you for watching all the way till the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye. Slack tutorial. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be talking to you about Slack and how you can use this absolutely amazing application for yourself to, do your actual workspace editing in, to manage your products, manage your tasks, and keep your team up and running. So this is Slack basically, okay? So in Slack, you're going to make a workspace. So as you can see, I'm in this workspace right now. Now in this workspace, we have channels. Okay, you create channels for yourself, and you can create more channels by clicking on create a channel and, add any type of channel you want to. And if you want any assistance, you can do that as well. But as you can see, I have all these channels. So links, team chat, you have work and all these things. So let's say in team chat, I want to, I'm going to write something like, hi guys. And then you can actually, do an at and, message everyone. So it's pretty easy. It's pretty simple. And it's really nice to get a basic idea of how you're going to work with Slack. So just create channels, and in those channels, you're going to start working. Now, if you want to invite people to your workspace, what you are going to want to be doing is you're going to go to your workspace over here. Now, whoever has control of the workspace, what you can do is you can start adding people into a certain chat. So you're going to click on add coworkers, enter their name or email, and just send them an invite, and that should be it. So that's basically the idea of Slack. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye. Smartsheet tutorial. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing day. In this video, I'm going to be talking about Smartsheet and how you can use this absolutely incredible software. Okay, so Smartsheet is basically a flexible solution for your work. Now, it's very similar to products like ClickUp, Monday.com, Asana, Trello. Now, the reason for that is that it's great for your work management, okay? It's a great management platform. It's great for task management, great for project management. Even if you want to, manage your personal life, it's good for that because it gives you things like automations, digital assets, resource, team collab, dashboards, portfolio, proofing, account, intelligent workflows, integration, no-code work apps, and a whole lot more. So it gives you a whole repertoire to work with. It gives you the whole, you could say working standard to get your head around, and it helps you a lot in working. So do make sure to get your head wrapped around this pretty well because it's an absolutely amazing software to use. And I would urge all you users out there to get a good grasp of this, to get a good idea of this, because like products like Smartsheet will help you tons. Okay. So that's pretty much the main idea about Smartsheet. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye. Rike tutorial. Hello everyone. In this video, we're going to be quickly talking about Rike and how you can use this platform for yourself. It's one platform to streamline all workflows for you, a single app for all departments. You can manage projects, organize work, integrate all your favorite tools, and collaborate and drive efficiency for yourself. So Rike is your, team dashboard or team planning statement where you can actually mess around with different components of your work, okay? And you can actually use Rike in different ways. So if you've used, stuff like Monday.com, or you've used Asana, or you've used ClickUp, then Rike will also work greatly for you. And trust me, Rike works great. It has automation, it has Gantt charts, project resource planning, and it has a great visualized dashboard where you can get tasks, processors, and a lot more. So you can see that you can get your analytics in this section as well. And these are all the organizations that use Rike. So there's P&G, Sega, Lyft, Siemens, Pfizer, Ogilvy, T-Mobile. So you have a lot of features and brands using these. Then you can auto organize your intake, custom build for your teams, gain big pictures, visibility, customer success stories. You get Aerotech, Fitbit, Inspiration. All these people use it, and it has great reviews as well. So it's great to start off with it. It's great to use, and you can actually see why, right? So it has great marketing, professional services, PMO, creative design, also has a great CMS. You get task management, workflow management, and the best thing, project management, where you can plan agile products. Now, planning projects for yourself is a different way to work as well, because you are going to want to make sure that the management works incredibly and the management works normally when you're actually getting the basic concept and basic idea of this, okay? So that's pretty much about it when it comes to Rike. So thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.